Did you know AI isn't just a hype? 40% of business leaders report AI increases business productivity with annual growth rate of 37.7%. AI will contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Expansion of AI in growth stats plays an evident role in improving the profit margin of businesses. If you are an entrepreneur or business freak who wish to increase your ROI, then why not consider artificial intelligence? Discover top 8 profitable business ideas for 2023 that can help you achieve financial success. AI e-learning platform. AI chatbots provide instant assistance to learners, enhancing user satisfaction and retention, leading to a steady stream of subscription revenue. AI-powered retail assistant. AI-powered retail assistants offer personalized recommendations, creating a more engaging shopping environment that boosts sales and customer loyalty. Logistics supply chain. AI-powered logistics and supply chain solutions optimize delivery routes, reducing transportation costs and ensuring timely deliveries, which can lead to increased customer orders and revenue. Healthcare medicine. AI accelerates drug discovery processes, enabling pharmaceutical companies to bring innovative treatments to market faster, potentially generating substantial revenue from new drug sales. Space explorations. AI assists in identifying valuable resources on celestial bodies, potentially opening up opportunities for mining and extraction businesses to explore space for profitable ventures. Gaming entertainment. AI detects and prevents cheating in multiplayer games, preserving fair play and ensuring player retention, which contributes to a healthier player base and sustained revenue. Information technology. AI automates routine IT tasks, reducing downtime and operational costs, which can result in increased productivity and revenue for businesses that rely on uninterrupted digital services. Travel and tourism. AI tailors travel itineraries and accommodation options based on traveler preferences, increasing booking conversions and revenue for travel agencies and platforms. AI is definitely worth considering and driving more audiences to your business. It excels in offering deep insights in tracking your customer behavior, creates personalized marketing strategies. It spikes your business productivity and cuts off the operational cost to a maximum potential. Ability to work 24/7 is one big notable feature that makes everyone fond of using AI. Top 7 key benefits of AI-powered business solutions. Better outcomes. Meets customer demands. Efficient and productivity gains. Business expansion. Personalized customer services. Reduction of human errors and bugs. Generates quality leads. Top multinational companies and corporations started relying on AI for driving traffic to their business. Why not you? Get set go embrace a change in your annual revenue. ByteDeal is there for you. ByteDeal, a predominant AI development company, breaks down the barriers and makes AI accessible to all. We have the power potential to transform the business landscape with our renowned AI solutions. Our successful history, deep industry knowledge, and unwavering commitment to excellence makes us the ideal AI partner for clients. Get in touch with us.